What's up guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to another What I Ate Today video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you everything that I eat in a day as a vegan and incorporating a lot of easy meal ideas to give you some inspiration. I'm going to be making some delicious vegan waffles, and I also have my favorite dinner at the moment, and if you think you don't like eating vegetables, you're going to want to stay tuned because I've got some tips to make them taste delicious and a really easy snack hack that really does make eating healthy snacks a lot more enjoyable, as well as a super fast lunch. So I hope this What I Eat in a Day video gives you lots of good ideas, and let's get started with breakfast. Some mornings I wake up really hungry, but on this day I woke up pretty early, so I just started with some water and a coffee, and I tinkered around in the kitchen and put away dishes and groceries until I felt ready for breakfast. I thought I would give you a little sneak peek at some of the groceries I picked up. I've never tried maple sugar before, so let me know if you have and how to use it in the comments. This popcorn is really good, by the way. I had some later on in the day. And I also ordered one of these pumpkin waffle makers, so I thought it would be a perfect morning to make pumpkin-shaped waffles. Making vegan waffles is actually pretty easy. I just start with buttermilk, and to do this, I just take some almond milk or soy milk and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. The vinegar is going to help create a really fluffy pancake or waffle when you put it into a batter like this. Then I just measure out regular flour. You can use oat flour or gluten-free flour if you have like a 1-to-1 baking flour. That should work really well. And I just mixed in some salt, some baking powder, and some cardamom. I'm Norwegian and our waffles usually have cardamom inside and it's so good, but if you don't have cardamom, you could definitely do cinnamon or pumpkin pie spice or just leave it out. Then I added a little bit of vanilla extract and a flax egg. A flax egg is basically just ground flax seeds with water. And you want to let that sit for a few minutes, so I usually do it first, and it kind of thickens up while I'm measuring out the flour and mixing together, the wet ingredients. And what you want to do is make sure that it actually gels. I think it's really tempting just to pour it in right away, but you do want to make sure that it gels because that's what's going to help hold everything together and create a nice fluffy waffle. Then I just mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and you do want to be careful not to overmix at this stage because you don't want the batter to get too tough. And then I just finish this with a little bit of melted coconut oil, or you could do vegan butter, and some maple syrup. And this is going to create a really delicious flavor, but also it's going to help brown so you get a nice golden brown waffle when you're finished. If I have the time, I like to let a pancake or waffle batter sit for a few minutes. This makes a huge difference in the overall product, so I just sip my coffee and let it hang out. Just washed my face and did a little bit of makeup just to feel a little bit more awake, and then I got dressed and I put on my favorite natural deodorant. And this portion of the video is sponsored by Native because they have a plastic free option because you guys, because of the customers, because people were asking for a plastic free option, 0% plastic as they like to say. It's actually made from 100% paperboard and it's sourced from responsibly managed forests, and 1% of all of the proceeds for the plastic free deodorants go to environmental nonprofits. Use your voice, because when you do, brands like Native will be listening and they will make the changes. I just think that is so empowering and such a good reminder to speak up for what you believe in and create the change that you want to see in the world. If you guys want to try Native, you can click the link below and build your own 3-pack of scents. Normally that would be $39, but with the link in the description box below and my code, you will get it for 25% off, and and that makes it $29 with free shipping, which I think is such a good deal. So definitely take advantage of that deal if you're looking for a good cruelty-free vegan deodorant that is, on top of everything else, plastic-free. For lunch today, I'm having one of these vegan burritos. It was just frozen and I microwaved it. I had a little bit more tofu scramble in the fridge, so I put that in there along with a handful of some salad and then salsa and avocado on top. And I may or may not be watching Gilmore Girls while I have my lunch. Welcome to my refrigerator. I have so many sauces right now. I have because we did a taste test on the Vegan View, so I have this cauliflower dip, but I think this would be better on actual cauliflower wings. By the way, I am going to be making an actual recipe video for that because I got so many questions about how to make baked cauliflower wings, so I'm working on that. But I have this bitchin' sauce, and I have hummus, and I have ranch. If you guys have a Kroger store near you, we tried this one on the Vegan View and it's actually really good. It doesn't have a taste, like a aftertaste like some vegan ranches do, because like the Trader Joe's one, for example, is made with coconut cream and it has a really strong coconut flavor. And there's some others that are cashew based that they're all fine, but they don't taste like what I think ranch should taste like or what I remember it tasting like. And this one is really close if you're looking for a dip, not necessarily a salad dressing. Oh. I used to hate eating veggies and hummus as a snack because I felt like it wasn't very satiating. So now what I do is I make sure that one, I have the veggies chopped up and ready to go, so it's super convenient. I find that I definitely eat more veggies this way. Two, I have a couple, at least one delicious sauce. Here I have two. And then I also have some chips or some popcorn on the side so that I don't feel like I'm choosing healthy over my favorite salty snacks. I get both. I'm gonna say something a little bit controversial, and that is that I think that carrots that you cut into sticks taste so much better than baby carrots. And I know that baby carrots are cute and they're mini and they're convenient, and I have to say they are way more convenient than cutting up your own carrots, like no question. But I do think that they taste so much better when you have the whole carrot that you cut up. There's just a sweetness and, like, I don't know, just a nicer flavor overall. And I used to really force myself to eat baby carrots and hummus back in the day when I thought that was like a healthy snack. But now I really do enjoy it. And I think it's just because they taste better and I like the crunch better. And they don't have that like every third carrot is bitter thing that happens with baby carrots. So I don't know, just give it a try, just saying. But anyway, I'm gonna finish this and I will see you at dinner time. Dinner was one of my favorite meals I've made all week, and on this day I was just rejudging some leftovers. Here I'm making a marinade with garlic, ginger, and jalapeno. You can chop it or throw it into a blender, whatever you want to do. I added some low sodium tamari, a little olive oil, and maple syrup, and I used that to marinate the tempeh the night before, but I made a little bit extra for the veggies tonight. Then I just went ahead and I sliced up eggplant, and I know a lot of people hate eggplant. I used to be one of them, and then my friend Dee, one time we were having a beach picnic and she brought this grilled eggplant, and my friend Taylor and I could not stop eating it. It was so delicious, and I've never made, well, that's not true. I'm not going to say I've never made eggplant any other way, but this is my like top favorite way to make it. While the eggplant was cooking, I went ahead and I had some sparkling water in a wine glass because it feels fancier. And then I used that same marinade just to brown up some mushrooms while the eggplant was grilling. The trick to eggplant is to let it cook all the way through. You want it to be translucent before you pull it off the heat. Excuse the outfit. I know this is so fashionable. You guys, this eggplant, I know it's so simple. Like, it's just coconut oil, salt, and pepper. This is going to blow your mind. It is so flavorful. Promise me, you will slice up an eggplant, you will grill it until it has nice charred marks on it with a good amount of coconut oil, salt, and pepper. It is unreal. Like, I don't understand how it tastes this good, but it does. I'm going to eat a whole eggplant just like this. I plated up the remaining eggplant with brown rice, the tempeh, some sauteed greens, and mushrooms, and I poured the remaining marinade that the mushrooms were cooking in over top as a sauce. We've got some ginger, garlic, tempeh with brown rice, some sauteed spinach, sauteed mushrooms, the best ever grilled eggplant, some parsley, avocado, and hummus. So excited, I wish you guys could smell this. As I mentioned, this was definitely the best meal I'd made all week. It was so flavorful, and I really think that creamy element from the hummus and from the avocado really took it to the next level, so highly recommend. But this marinade is great on tempeh, tofu, and veggies, so very versatile and super easy to make like you saw, so highly recommend giving that a try. And for those of you who stuck around until the end of the video, I'm doing another super secret giveaway to say thank you for watching until the end of my videos. It really means a lot to me. And so when I ordered myself one of these waffle makers, the pumpkin waffle makers, I ordered an extra one so that I could give to one of you guys. All you have to do to enter to win one of these is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite way to cook up veggies is. If you have like a favorite seasoning, a favorite sauce, or a favorite style, just let me know in the comments. Or if you hate veggies, let me know in the comments. And I will be announcing the winner 1 week from today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing if you did. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what I eat in a day videos. And if you would like to try Native, definitely go ahead and check out the link in the description box below. It is an absolutely fantastic deodorant that I have been using exclusively since December. I really, really love it, and I think it smells great. So check that out if you are looking for a great cruelty-free option. And I will see you guys in a video very soon. Bye.